Okay, I am going to go over a roll that I do from my phone on how I roll up and out positions that are in trouble, and this one's definitely in trouble. So been dealing with this one for a few weeks here. So I'm going to go ahead and roll, and you can see here that it's expiring tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and select the in the money position first. I'm going to say roll selected, select the top one here. Okay, and what comes up now automatically with TOS is that you, with weekly positions, it will show you the next expiration. So, if you look here, the bottom two strikes are the ones that I have. So it's buying the 29.05 and selling the 29.10 to close, and then I'm opening at 29.05 and closing. I'm sorry, opening at 29.05. By selling it and opening at 29.10 in order to open those two strikes, okay, as a spread. So I don't want to roll it to the next expiration. Actually, I want to roll it quite a bit out and up. So you can do it either way first, right? So I'm going to go ahead and select the strike and roll it out to, let's say, 3 September. That puts it up 14 days, and this one I'm going to do the same. 3 September, okay, and you can see here that we're still in the same strikes, and so for this it tells me that it's negative 35 or 45 is the midpoint, and so it's going to cost me, this is going to be a debit spread, it's going to cost me to roll it, okay, which is not great. So I still want to roll it up, so I'm going to go ahead and roll this up to, I'm going to use the 29.10. I'm going to go ahead and roll it up to, let's say, 25 and 20, right? And that's going to cost me 65. Okay, so it's going to cost me 65 cents to roll this out, and so now you could basically save the position here. You say confirm, save order, and I would put it in your save orders folder here. All right. So I'm going back to the position now. I'm going to go to my other strike, and I'm going to say roll selected. I'm going to select the roll. Okay, I've got the same scenario. I'm buying buying the 29.30 strike and selling the 28.25 strike to basically close it out. Okay, so let's do the same thing here. I'm going to go to 3 September just to match the other one. There it is, and then 3 September here, match the other one. And then I'm going to roll this one up too. Now this one I'm going to be charged 60 cents. Actually not charged, but basically I would collect a premium of 60 cents, which is close to what I have on the other one, but the delta is actually not bad, 16. So I would leave it in the same place and then roll this one, and it would be a let's see, so let's confirm this and let's look at the two orders. So yeah, one is 75, which would cost me, and the other one is 60, so it would cost me basically 75, 15 cents to roll this, right? So now you can play with this some in order to match, to get, a better credit, or not a credit, but at least try to break even. You're right. In this case, I would probably take this position here and roll it up a little bit. So I would edit it here, and instead of 28.30, 28.25, I would move this strike up a little bit, maybe to 40, and this one here to 35. That would give me a 65 cent, so it's a little bit better. But anyway, you get the gist of it. You play with it until you're comfortable with where the strikes are, so that you could manage this trade. Ideally, obviously, I wouldn't be in the money, but in this case, I am, and having to deal with that. So it's part of the battle here. right, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.